Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum and welcome to back our channel Studying English. I am Sabasundar Shona and I'm Sabasundar Shona in speaking front of you. Now I want to perform Mammoth's home districts. Mammoth home district name is Kishorganj. It is 145 kilometers from Dhaka. The district has 8 municipalities, 32 modulas and 180 unions. The name of Kishorganj comes from the old dialogue known as Brajkishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. The river Narsunda flows through the town. Kishorganj is a small town, but there are many important places around it. The largest is Paragon called Sholaghat Paragon, and the Window Government Gurudwara College are in my home districts. Kishorganj is some famous home districts. Jainul Abidin is a great painter of blonde hair. So Nazrul Islam is the acting president of Bangladesh, was born Kishorganj, and the two writers of Bangladesh are Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury and Sukumar Roy are also from Kishorganj. Mamun like his home district. Mamun like his home district. I love my Mamun like his home district very much. That's some information. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.